For those looking for a fantastic low maintenance investment, a first home, or even those looking to downsize, number 17 Jasmine Street, Bell Park is a terrific option. I'm Shane King from Harcourts. Let's take a wander through the property. The well thought out floor plan offers 2 generous bedrooms, a 2-way bathroom, 2 fantastic living areas and an undercover entertaining area. Outside, the property is extremely low maintenance and we're conveniently located within walking distance to the Vines Road shops, just around the corner to the Milton Street shops, and of course Hughes Street shopping strip is a few moments away. Well, we hope you enjoyed the property tour. If you do have any questions, please reach out to us via phone or email, or we look forward to seeing you at an inspection.